Hi guys, welcome to the MutaaweFamily YouTube channel. My name is Rogers. This is my beautiful son Ian and my lovely wife Lucy. We are only missing Skylar, who is at school.
Yeah, so we are so excited to be sharing with you guys about our family, about health and fitness. We love working out, about outdoor things that we do. We love going to trails and exploring our neighborhood. We love taking trips when we can from work and just enjoying life. So we're going to be sharing those things with you guys. We hope you enjoy.
And please, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and let us know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.
Bye.
Hi guys, my name is Rogers and welcome to the MutaaweFamily YouTube channel. Today we're going to be sharing about our experience at the San Diego SeaWorld. It is located in California in the city of San Diego. It's amazing and we can't wait to share our experience with you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe, like, follow, enjoy the video. Fun fact about this fish is it eats the dead skin off your fingers. So me and Skylar had to try it while Mama was taking the video. Keep enjoying and exploring with us. This is a paid program that you have to do online to touch the dolphins. Skylar really wanted to touch the dolphins, but we had not paid online to touch them, so we skipped that. But keep enjoying and exploring more with us.
I'm gonna go on the other side.
Look at the dolphin.
Let's eat a snack.
There's no snake, there's a dolphin over there.
Okay, you guys.
You see the dolphin over there?
Okay, we're gonna do a fish cut again. Let's eat a snack.
Look at it.
That is super cool.
They also had an underground tank that had all the sharks and all the other coral reef animals, like the turtles, and it was just fun to see. The aquarium was amazing. Keep exploring and enjoying with us.
Daddy, that's oh my god.
I don't think you can touch them, Mama.
We also went to the sea lion show and it was amazing. The show lasts for about 15-20 minutes and it's worth every minute. Keep enjoying and exploring with us.
Wait a minute, maybe Biff could do it. Have you seen him?
Well, that's a great idea, but I haven't seen.
The busy day ended by Skylar going to the park and playing in the water because it was pretty hot. It was a good thing to do at the end of the day. She was really tired. We also had to take a break during this time. Keep enjoying the video and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that wonderful video. If you have any comments, go ahead and let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Mutaawe Family YouTube channel. Have a good one.